You got any weapons or anything on you, man?
No, sir.
Nothing? Okay.
I'm not driving nothing. I'm sitting here waiting. Been over here chilling with my friends and family.
Okay, who stays here?
My buddy Wayne, him and his girl.
Wayne?
Yeah.
Alright. You got your ID on you?
It's inside there. That's why I'm trying to get in there. My coat. I left my coat on the inside. I've been calling trying to get them on the phone. They ain't answering the phone.
Alright, Wayne. Yeah. Oh, what's your first, how do you spell your first name?
Hoover. Ernest Hoover.
Ernest? Spell Ernest for me.
E-R-N-E-S-T-H-O-O-V-E-R.
E-A-R?
E-R-N-E-S-T. H-O-O-V-E-R.
Your date of birth? What's a good phone number for you?
773-430-3367.
Start that over again. 773?
430-3367.
67. Where do you stay at?
77. I stay 81. Actually, it's 8349 South Luella.
South what? How do you spell that?
L-U-E-L-L-A. Chicago, Illinois.
Chicago?
It's Avenue. Luella Avenue.
Avenue, alright.
Okay.
Are you calling them right now?
Yeah.
We're trying to get them out the door.
I see them keep coming to the window. Okay, so listen, let me just keep it 100.
Okay, be straight up. Yeah, keep it 100. That's all I want.
Now, this my homie, but he been trying to get me just, we've been kicking it, and his girl, you know what I mean? So his girl, he got kind of jealous.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
So if he don't want you on his property and this is his house, then
I'm finna leave. I just needed my coat out of there. That's it. I ain't bothering nobody.
Alright, just do me a favor. I'm gonna just pat you down just for my safety. Make sure you got no weapons on you, bro. Okay? You ain't in no trouble or nothing.
County 41, can you send me an IM, please?
Should I hear your wallet? I thought you said your ID was in the house.
No, my wallet's right there.
Okay.
I said my ID.
Well, your ID's right here.
Well, I thought it was inside my coat, but that's my name. I'm not lying. I ain't lying to you.
Okay.
I'm just trying to get my coat and all that out of there. But kid, I ain't moving nowhere. I ain't did nothing. Right, that's no mind.
County 591, 2529, one time out of Illinois.
Go ahead with the name.
Last name Henry, Ocean, Victor, Edward, Robert. First name Edward, Robert, Nora, Edward, Sam, Tom. Middle initial L, Lincoln. It's going to be a June.
Stand by.
Man, clear, man. I don't cause no problems.
Nah, you're good, bro. I'm just going to go and try to talk to them, see what's going on.
I'm just gonna leave, man.
I mean, right now...
I see what he is. He jealous, man.
Okay.
He jealous. His girl, we had his girl. He called me over. He like, man, my girl want to kick it. Woo, woo. We come to kick it. But his girl falling, you know, she feeling for a nigga, you know what I'm saying? And he kind of got jealous. So I guess that's what it is.
Here's your wallet back.
So I come to my car, bro. I don't want no smoke. I come to my car. You know what I mean? Chilling in my car. And I just went for a ride. You know what I mean? I'm finna leave. I don't want no smoke. You know what I'm saying? That's your,
well, I'm
that's
here.
your wife.
Got to do an investigation. I got to talk to them, see what they want to do, and we'll go from there, right? So right now, just need you to stick by.
I'm gonna sit in my car.
591 Central.
Just stay outside for right now, man. Go ahead.
Are you clear for information?
10-4.
Subject appears wanted. Check out of Lake County.
10-9 that traffic.
For me?
Yeah, bro. Just
Subject
turn
is
around.
wanted at a Lake County. Subject appears.
No,
I'm doing it, bro. I'm not going to go. I'll traffic, bro.
Let's go. You're gonna get tased. You're gonna get tased.
Okay, all right.
Get that tased. No.